Hello, everyone. This is James Strong. This is the SIG networking subproject at Ingress NGINX, which means we adhere to the CNCF Code of Conduct. Essentially, is be kind to each other. If you have any issues, please report those to myself, Ricardo, or the SIG networking leads. With that, we'll go ahead and get started. One of the first things I wanted to mention is that we do have a maintainer talk next week at KubeCon. We will be discussing our 2024 plans, which include Gateway API, more control plane, data plane split, and all of the Helm updates that Marco has been helping us out with. So if you want to learn about what our plans are and what our big goals swinging for the fences are, come and join us on Thursday for that talk. And with that, I know, Ricardo, you're short on time. Is there anything that you want to talk about on the project board, issue triage? I didn't know. I know you dropped some stuff in Slack, but that's pretty much.
Uh, no, so we did some decent work closing in a bunch of issues and a bunch of PRs. I think that we are now in a better situation just to look things and see how to fix stuff. I'm not looking into issues those days, so sorry. And my plan is to take a look at least on the things that people are asking me, like HTTP2 without the LS listener, and then come back working on the split control plane data plane now that we have a better organization and a better view of things. Other than that, I don't have any much to do. I will be doing just one thing at once.
One thing at a time. That doesn't sound like you.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm just kidding. We do have some. I wonder if we want to unassign these things that are assigned to you then, um, on the issues board. What do you think to that?
I was mute. Yeah, so FIPS, you can unassign me. If someone want to take a look into FIPS, it's fine. I won't be
Yeah,
able to look at that.
I was gonna say that's definitely gonna be yeah.
Yeah. Then what else I have on my name? Building Next NGINX image with NJS. Can keep this one with me. I will do as soon as I think we should do that.
Yeah.
Basic of deprecation of this script. I think it's this one, that script. I think this one is an easy one to look. Not easy in the sense of like it's going to be really easy, but everything is there. We just need to make sure that on our side we can generate the new credentials using this new format. But someone needs to read better and yeah, implement and go. So I can assign that one to me, but I would really love that someone take care of that. So yeah, external request hang when using external traffic policy. Unassign this one from me. I'm not going to be able to look at that. So
Which
the
one?
second and the third one, you can unassign. You can just click on the checkbox, James.
The proxy and external requests.
Yeah, and hold on. Let's take a look into the other one as well. Reload this configure TCP proxies and point changes. Click on that one as well. All of them, they were related to TLS proxy. Slow backend update as well. And the app root as well. Anything else? Yeah, just assign to nobody. There is one that Jintao is already assigned to the app root.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Cool.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you for all that work you did on your vacation. That really wasn't a vacation.
Yeah, I'm fine. Not gonna do that again.
Yeah, don't do that. Who wants to look at this Nginx crash?
110.
Oh, I thought it was 110.
Me too.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I'm gonna close that.
Yeah, he has submitted a PR for this one, and the PR is upgrade the NGINX Lua version.
Yeah, but he's not gonna
But
get that in 1.0 and 1.1. He's gonna have to upgrade that and get it in probably in 1.11 because we are unless we backport this to 1.10. Okay. Why does he? I wonder why he thinks that that's gonna fix the issue. Oh, I guess because it's probably telling him to. Okay. Um, do we? Uh, so dependency updates, Ricardo. Are we backporting those, or those getting minor? Those go to minor or patches?
if they are bugs, we backport.
Okay. So this one will probably get backported for 1.10.
But yeah, so the thing is that 110 is on Nginx 125, right? So we can bump Nginx one with the Nginx 125, which is fine because we're not changing anything big. And then just backport this new Nginx. So we release this new image, and then we backport the Nginx image on the
1.10.
yeah, on the 110 branch. So we don't do a cherry pick on this fix. We do a cherry pick
On the
using this new
Nginx
image on the
image.
image.
Okay.
Yeah, on the image that we will just build and generate. Okay. So
Okay.
just make sure that we are bumping that. And also, Jintao, I think we need to bump the tag from the image. There is this tag file inside this folder. It should be bumped as well. So we kick the cloud build for this one.
Yeah, we can do that
Yeah.
after he. Yeah, we can do that after he updates this and updates that. So I'll watch this one then. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I have been. I think um I was just thinking about it today, just because things get missed, and even when I read them, I'm just gonna start assigning things to me and follow up. Like last meeting, there were 2 or 3 where I just asked them to do things like either docs or add EDE. So I'm just gonna assign myself to go back and look at them. I just need to get into a better rhythm for myself um on these.
Okay.
All right. Cool. Skip that one. We already talked about those two. Um, anything else? I had a question.
I have a lot of them.
Yeah. Never mind.
What's up?
I don't have it.
No.
I don't have it fully formed in my head. Okay. Were there any PRs that we needed to look at? We wanted to talk about? A lot of things are failing.
A lot of things I think they are actually related to the needs rebase, right? But what I think we should be doing. So I've seen the post on the bot security 400. I will just close this one right now. He said that he's not gonna have time to fix it, and we won't have time to fix it as well, right? So
Which one?
the mod security CRS 400. It's a breaking change.
Oh, yeah, I was
Yeah, he
wondering
said
why
that
this was.
coming on. Yeah.
I just asked him
Let's
again.
let's close it. And as soon as because we are still doing those like we are with mod security updated, we are with CRS updated, but this is this actually seems like an ask for help, his last comment, right? Anyway.
Yeah, I just saw that. I just read that.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a breaking change in 4.0.
And,
Okay.
and he's not going to be able to fix it. So let's close this one right now, and we are going to come back to this as soon as we think someone can deal with that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I have a question. One of the ones I forget where I was at. I think I saw it in Slack. Um, I didn't know that endpoint slices supported FQDNs. You know which one I'm talking about? That was an issue. I don't think that's a,
Uh,
in my opinion, that's not a bug. That's a feature. So
it's a feature.
just because something is missing doesn't mean it's a bug. If someone's asking for new functionality, that's a new feature.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm glad we're all on the same page about that then. This sounds like somebody. Well, if you create a new Ingress controller, it is going to create a new load balancer. Yeah, that's going to happen. I would think that if they want to keep the same load balancer, they're just going to have to put in the load balancer IP.
What's up? Sorry, I was looking into something else.
I'm just looking at this issue, just triaging some issues. They did. It looks like they did a managed node group migration, probably doing a cluster upgrade, and one of the controllers were probably on the old node group. So when they cordoned it, drained it, and deleted it, the controller came back up on a new node. They get a new load balancer. So they would just need to probably add the load balancer IP so that it doesn't recreate the load balancer. That's pretty straightforward. I'll
They
follow
have
up.
deleted the service.
Um, yeah, it wouldn't delete the service, would it?
Yeah. Hey, gotta drop. Sorry,
Okay.
folks. Talk to you later.
Talk to
Yeah.
you later.
Enjoy Paris.
I'll miss you.
Bye.
I'll take this one.
In this one, this one I don't know. Because he just created a new managed node group. So so I don't know in EKS it does it will change the services IP or
It shouldn't. I have to go do some testing later today for work on AWS
yeah.
for a customer. So I'll also just deploy an Ingress controller and do this test real quick. I don't think we're something's missing here in
Yeah.
this explanation because it shouldn't, but I'll verify. So I assigned that to myself. Let's go ahead and look at the next one. Adapt the NGINX rewrites from the official NGINX. We're not gonna copy functionality, I would think. I will leave this to Marco. No. Probably not gonna do this.
if we support this one, I think I think we should have we should have a document for this to describe the behavior.
You just asked them to change the name of the rewrite.
Yeah, because this one is will this one will enforce uh, every turn to have one domain name.
Yeah, I mean it's different. It's a different chart, and like I said, it should reflect it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's see what's up with this one. We're at 11.118. Is that 11.118? Yeah, okay. I don't even know why I'm reading this. I'm not very familiar with gRPC. Automatically terminated on long-term connections. Gentile, are you familiar with this? This does sound like a bug if there are just getting disconnects.
Connection closed. So maybe he thinks this one is because the timeout, but
Well, I was saying it's infrequent, so even
terminate.
I wonder what type of would the load balancer matter? I know GKE's got like 3 or 4 different types of load balancers.
Yeah, in GKE there will have a load balance if in the front of the Ingress NGINX. So if he just use kube control port forward, try to connect to Ingress NGINX. If the I mean if we just use kube control port forward to connect to Ingress NGINX, if they have the same error, then we can take a look into this error. But if he using kube control port forward to port forward all the traffic to Ingress NGINX and find no error occurred, so we can think it's a problem in the GKE load balance.
On two. They said 194. 190. So yeah, it's gonna be like a 19. Okay, 195. That's fine. Okay. Why does it still need its triage if it says needs information? I've also not done any testing with gRPC. He also put kind support, so okay. Let's do a couple more, and then I'm gonna go pack. We already looked at that one. Hit refresh. Probably should assign myself to that one too. Otherwise, they just get dropped. Things get dropped, and I haven't been. I'll just go straight to assign to myself. Currently, the server snippet is used to determine the user jump to strangely did not take effect. Okay. This is always the difficulty because with server snippets, you can use whatever, they can define whatever, and we can't always control or verify that the functionality is going to work. That's the problem I have with server snippets. 196. This is not very well formatted. Server snippet is used to determine the user agent to jump to. Strangely, it did not take effect.
So I think he just want to want to to according users agent to redirect to different backend.
Yeah, based on the user agent.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is fine. That seems like pretty straightforward use case. I wonder it would be helpful if he could give us
Mhm.
Let's see. Code is not taking effect. Can't think of anything else. Would the request log the headers? Is there a way to log the headers? Because if the user agents aren't there, then because I don't think we don't strip any headers. We just pass everything along. I don't know. Is there an annotation?
No. We don't have an annotation to
Include all the headers.
to get the user's agent. Yeah.
Yeah, I never remember. We support too much.
Yeah.
Mirror request body. Maybe. It's the request body.
No, we don't have annotation for agent user agent. Yeah. So if users want to users want to try to do some logic based on the user agent, they need to write some snippet. Yeah.
Mm. I wonder if it's a redirect problem because he's saying HTTPS. I'll just ask the question. Okay, let's do one more. Error retrieving resource lock ingress NGINX controller leader. I thought we got rid of that and went to the lease API.
You can assign this
Oh,
to
let's
me.
see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please control.
Sure.
I think maybe he is upgrade from the old version. If he installed from the latest version, we have correct RBAC configuration.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. Well, gonna go ahead and well, I can't force that NGINX upgrade until he gets that comment in. All right. I'm gonna spend the next 30 minutes and see what happens with 197 because I think we gotta we released 110. We didn't release 197, so I'm gonna go back and figure out why it's a Go unit test failure. So I'm just gonna spend the next 30 minutes looking at that. All right, Gentile, it was nice seeing you. And if I don't talk to you, I'll see you in a couple weeks on the next call.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining.
Yeah.
Bye.